On November 22, Kaiyi Shiyue went on sale at a price of 53,900 to 69,900 yuan. Positioned as a fully electric mini car, the new car is a 3-door, 4-seat model based on the IEA Pure Electric platform and is the first product of the first new energy platform under Kaiyi Automobile's new energy strategy. In terms of appearance, Kaiyi Shiyue is different from the traditional square or round-shaped design. The new car adopts what officials call the milky front fascia shape. In terms of body color, there are texture-rich colors such as sky blue, dazzling red, glacier white and metallic gray, as well as colors that are newly added to the national style, such as cyan blue and white peach pink. This highlights Chinese elegance even more. The eagle-eye LED headlights look very sharp and are connected through the logo on the left and right, making the whole vehicle look more recognizable. Kaiyi Shiyue gliding suspended ceiling design combines with the falcon diving waistline and aerodynamic tail, offering a rich sense of layering and design. It is also equipped with hidden power door handles and aerodynamic exterior mirrors. These not only effectively reduce the wind resistance coefficient, but also make the car look very simple and beautiful. In terms of body size, the length, width and height are 3360/1700/1600 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2160 mm. In terms of tail design, in addition to its aerodynamic tail, which makes the overall lines more dynamic and smooth, the most striking feature of Kaiyi Shiyue is its taillight design. The taillights not only adopt a full-type design, but also use a blacken process, which looks fashionable and elegant. In terms of the interior, the overall color harmony of the interior reflects the exterior, and the interior elements also have round and pleasant shapes. It includes a suspended LCD instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch central control screen. A decorative stripe runs across the entire center console, and the seats are designed in two-tone colors to reflect this. The 10.25-inch central control screen has in-car Bluetooth function and also supports voice navigation etc. You can make vehicle-machine connection via CarLife. At the same time, the entire series is equipped with 4 high-quality speakers and comes with a multifunction steering wheel as standard. Thanks to its long axle and short overhang design, Kaiyi Shiyue offers consumers a larger interior space that can fit 4 adults. At the same time, there are 13 or 17 storage areas in the entire car, and the luggage space is 130L, which can easily meet the storage needs of daily vehicle use by storing a 20-inch suitcase vertically. After folding the rear seats flat, the luggage space can be expanded to 430 liters. In terms of power, Kaiyi Shiyue adopts a front-mounted single-motor layout, with a maximum motor power of 40 kilowatts. Equipped with CATL lithium iron phosphate battery. CLTC cruising range is expected to be available at 201 kilometers and 301 kilometers. Among them, the 301 km cruising range version is equipped with a DC fast charging system with a maximum power of 31 kilowatts, which can be charged up to 80% in 30 minutes, effectively solving the user's concern about waiting for charging and cruising range.